How to log in FedEx ADP account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into FedEx ADP account. For this, step 1 is to open up any web browser. Here I have opened Google Chrome, but you can open whichever you want. Now search for FedEx ADP login and press enter. Here, you will find different search results. You want to tap on the very first one, which is sign in. The website is myadp.com. That will bring you to this page. Here, you will have to enter your user ID. Now, if you want your user ID to be remembered, check the box that says Remember User ID. Only do this if you are using a personal device. Now, tap on the next option. Next thing you have to do is enter your password. So go ahead and enter that. In case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password option. Once you have entered all the details, tap on the Sign In option. If your credentials are correct, you will be successfully signed into your FedEx ADP account. If you are new and you do not have an account, simply tap on the Get Started option. Then you can follow the on-screen prompts in order to create your account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.